Hi, it's Angeline here. Unity STEM is celebrating its 10th birthday this week and we're having a big celebration with lots of brand new stamps like this one. So I'm going to show you how I made this card. So first I'm using Margaret Girl, the brand new Unity stamp, and I've colored her with Copic markers and blinked up her entire dress with Wing of Stella clear glitter pen. And I'm going to be using this Spectrum Noir metallic pen to add some gold in the background. And I'm also using the My Favorite Things Peekaboo window die here to pop her up so that she becomes the focus of the card. So you know how often you go to weddings, parties, celebrations nowadays, and they always have a photo booth, and they always tend to have these really fun glittery backdrops for you to take photos with. So that's what I'm trying to create here by adding these gold streamers right behind her as the backdrop, because it's a fun celebration this week, so why not? Next, I'm running this die through my Sizzix Big Shot machine, and ta-da! It will create this peekaboo window with this beautiful stitching on the card base. So what I want to do here is to adhere this huge piece to my card base first. Then I'm adding some foam adhesive to the peekaboo piece. Instead of creating a peekaboo, I'm creating a pop-up card. So here is how my finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip today, and thanks for watching. Bye!